Hello, my fellow animal rescuers. Tonight, I want to share the hardest night I've ever had as a rescuer. This isn't just a fix. This is a battle against nature, against time, and against my own limits. You see, saving lives sometimes means you throw away the rulebook. This was the coldest night of the year when this mother dog and her 7 newborn puppies showed up unexpectedly. The sight was heartbreaking. The mother had built a shallow den in the ground, but it was useless against the snow and heavy rain. They were shivering violently. My goal was immediate rescue, nothing else. I could not film that night, because my only goal was saving them, not filming. Imagine trying to rescue lives, build a shelter, and holding a camera in a heavy rainstorm. That is a big lie. I quickly threw down blankets and guided them to temporary shelter. I got sick from the wind and the cold, but that night, I saved their lives. By the next morning, the initial crisis was over, but major problems remained. I still had no money and very limited time. Furthermore, the mother still did not trust me to take the babies inside. The terrifying experience from the night before became my best guide. I realized I had to build the warmest house in the world, and I had to do it fast. Luckily, a friend came to help, and we began the work. The solution was a simple plastic barrel. I quickly cut and installed 5-centimeter foam sheets inside. This created the first powerful layer of insulation in minutes. We lifted the barrel and placed it inside the old, open block kennel. This created a seamless triple-layer thermal system: the block wall, the plastic barrel, and the thick inner foam. Finally, a blanket served as a door to block the wind. It was a warm, safe, and secure home in minutes. Look how safe and sound they are now. The reason I am sharing this idea is for you. Maybe one day this quick solution will help you rescue animals, too. Remember this: sometimes, even with zero money, bad weather, no time, or even being alone, you can save animals. This quick shelter build was just one small moment in the journey of my 7 YouTube puppies. Please check out my channel for the full, heartwarming stories of these lovable creatures.
Okay. What are you doing?